In this video, we will reveal an epic credit repair method that actually works. If you're struggling with your credit score, this step-by-step guide will help you improve it and take control of your financial future. Watch now to learn how to repair your credit effectively and start seeing results. Stay tuned for valuable tips and insights on credit repair. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Good credit. It's more than just numbers. It's your passport to financial freedom. Good credit opens doors. Doors to better interest rates, lower insurance premiums, and even that dream home. Bad credit? It's a roadblock. It can hold you back, make life harder. But don't worry, there's hope. You can repair your credit, rebuild your financial life. It's a journey, but worth every step. Your credit score. It's a 3-digit number, a snapshot of your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. The higher, the better. It tells lenders how risky you are, how likely you are to repay a loan. Your score is based on several factors: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit also play a role. Payment history is crucial. It accounts for 35% of your score. Late payments hurt, as do collections and bankruptcies. Amounts owed matter too. This is your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you use compared to your total available credit. Lower is better. High utilization can signal financial stress. Length of credit history shows your track record. A longer history is generally better. It demonstrates responsible credit management over time. New credit inquiries can ding your score. Each inquiry is a hard inquiry. It stays on your report for 2 years. Too many inquiries can make you look risky to lenders. Types of credit you have also factor in. A mix of credit, like credit cards and installment loans, is good. It shows you can handle different types of debt responsibly. Understanding your credit score is key to improving it. Check your score regularly. Know where you stand. Identify areas for improvement. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit. You have the right to access your credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can get it for free once a year at annualcreditreport.com. This is the only authorized website. Don't fall for imposters. Your credit report details your credit history, every loan, credit card, even utility bills. It shows your payment history, credit limits, and balances. Review it carefully. Look for errors. Incorrect information can hurt your score. Dispute any inaccuracies immediately with the credit bureau and the company that reported it. When disputing errors, be thorough. Provide documentation, like payment records or account statements. Keep copies of everything. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate. They must notify you of the outcome. If the error is corrected, your score will likely improve. Checking your report regularly helps you stay on top of your credit health. You can also access your credit score for free. Many credit card companies and banks offer this service. There are also free credit monitoring websites and apps. These can alert you to changes in your credit report, like new accounts or hard inquiries. Monitoring your credit helps you detect and prevent identity theft. Repairing your credit takes time, but it's achievable. Follow these steps to get started. First, get organized. Gather all your financial documents: credit card statements, loan agreements, bank statements. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas to cut back and free up money to pay down debt. Next, prioritize your debts. Focus on high-interest debts first, like credit cards. Make more than the minimum payment. Even a small extra payment can make a difference. Consider the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next smallest debt. This creates momentum. Negotiate with creditors. If you're struggling to make payments, reach out to your creditors. Explain your situation. Ask for a hardship plan. They may be willing to lower your interest rate or reduce your monthly payments. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Finally, be patient. Credit repair is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to rebuild your credit history. Stay committed to your plan. Track your progress, celebrate your successes, and don't give up. You can do this. With time and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Credit repair scams abound. Beware of companies promising quick fixes or to erase negative information. Legally, it's too good to be true. They often charge high fees and deliver nothing. Real credit repair takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts. Another mistake is closing old credit cards, even if they have a zero balance. Why? It shortens your credit history, lowers your available credit, and hurts your credit utilization ratio. Keep old cards open and use them occasionally. It shows responsible credit management. Also, avoid paying off collections without negotiating. Don't just pay the amount listed, it might not remove the negative mark. Negotiate a pay for delete, you pay the debt, and they agree to remove it from your report. Get it in writing to protect yourself. Ignoring credit report errors is another pitfall. You have the right to dispute inaccuracies. Don't assume they'll fix themselves. Check your report regularly, dispute any errors promptly, and provide documentation. Be persistent, your credit score is worth fighting for. Dealing with debt collectors can be stressful. Know your rights. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, protects you. Collectors cannot harass you, threaten you, or use abusive language. Document everything. Keep records of all communication. If a debt collector contacts you, verify the debt. Request written validation, which includes the amount owed, the original creditor, and your rights. You have 30 days to dispute the debt. Do it in writing and send it certified mail with return receipt requested. If you're struggling to pay, try to negotiate a settlement. Offer a lump sum payment or a payment plan. Get any agreement in writing before making any payment. Make sure it satisfies the debt and will be reported to the credit bureaus. Remember, you have rights. Don't be afraid to assert them. If a debt collector violates your rights, report them to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, and your state attorney general's office. Credit counseling agencies offer guidance and support. They help you create a budget, manage debt, and can also negotiate with creditors. They set up a debt management plan, or DMP. You make one monthly payment, and they distribute it to your creditors. Credit counseling can be helpful, but choose wisely. Look for reputable agencies accredited by the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, or NFCC, or the Financial Counseling Association of America, or FCFEA. Beware of agencies charging high fees. Before signing up for a DMP, understand the terms. It may require closing some credit cards, which may lower your credit score temporarily, but it can help you get back on track and become debt-free. Credit counseling is not a quick fix. It requires commitment and honesty about your finances, but it can provide valuable support and help you achieve your financial goals. Repairing your credit is important, but building positive habits is key. Start with on-time payments, set reminders, use auto-pay, never miss a due date. It's the biggest factor in your credit score and shows lenders you're reliable. Keep credit card balances low. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. Lower is better. High balances can hurt your score and indicate financial stress. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and save money. Limit new credit applications. Each application triggers a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries can lower your score. Only apply for credit when you need it. Shop around for the best rates and terms within a short period to minimize the impact on your score. Building good credit takes time. Consistency is key. Make responsible financial decisions. Manage your money wisely. Your credit score will reflect your efforts and open doors to financial opportunities. Identity theft is a growing problem and can wreak havoc on your credit. Protect yourself. Shred financial documents. Be cautious online. Don't share personal information unless it's a secure website. Monitor your credit report regularly. Look for suspicious activity, unauthorized accounts, and inquiries you don't recognize. Report any discrepancies immediately to the credit bureaus and the companies involved. Consider a credit freeze or fraud alert. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, making it harder for identity thieves to open accounts. A fraud alert requires creditors to verify your identity before issuing credit. Protecting your credit is an ongoing effort. Stay vigilant, be proactive, safeguard your personal information. Your financial well-being depends on it. Credit repair is a journey. Celebrate your milestones. Each step forward is a victory. Paid off a credit card? Give yourself a pat on the back. Credit score improved? Way to go. Acknowledge your progress. It keeps you motivated. Focus on the positive changes, lower interest rates, increased credit limits, new opportunities. Let these successes fuel your determination, inspire you to keep going. Financial wellness is within reach. Remember, you're not alone. Many people struggle with credit issues. Don't be afraid to ask for help from friends, family, or financial professionals. Support can make all the difference. Credit repair is about more than just numbers. It's about taking control of your finances, building a brighter future. For yourself and your loved ones. Be proud of your efforts, celebrate your achievements. Your credit is in your hands. You have the power to change it, repair it, build a solid financial foundation. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember the power of good credit, the doors it opens, the opportunities it creates. Take action today. Start by checking your credit report, create a budget, make a plan, and stick to it. You can do this one step at a time. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve financial freedom. Don't let bad credit define you. Take charge of your financial future. Start your credit repair journey today. The rewards will be life-changing. You deserve financial peace of mind. Go for it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Nervous about diving into the credit world? Here's a super simple start. Consider getting a secured credit card. It's like training wheels for your credit journey. You put down a deposit and that becomes your credit limit. It's simple, safe, and a smart way to build your credit score from scratch.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer, the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.